Is there anything more disappointing than beautiful blooms fading way too fast? You spend the time, the money, and then, poof, gone. But what if I told you there's a way to keep that beauty alive, to enjoy your garden's bounty for months, even years? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Gary, and today we're talking about a little secret for extending the life of your flowers, drying them. Forget those fleeting moments. We're going to explore some amazing cut flowers that are perfect for creating stunning, long-lasting dried arrangements. First up, we have straw flowers. These are practically superstars in the dried flower world. See how papery their petals are? That's the magic. They hold onto their shape and vibrant color incredibly well as they dry. Plus, they come in a fantastic array of colors, so you'll have plenty to choose from. Next, get ready for statice. What you're seeing here aren't actually petals, but colorful calyxes that protect the tiny flowers inside. These papery structures are what retain the color, and statice offers a beautiful range of shades like purple, pink, white, and yellow. It's super easy to dry and keeps its bright hues. Check out globe amaranth. These adorable clover-like blooms come in such fun colors: pink, purple, red, orange, even white. They dry beautifully, holding onto their cute round shape and adding a touch of whimsy to any arrangement. Now, for something truly special, we have the seed pods of Love in a Mist. While the flowers themselves are lovely, it's these intricate seed pods that are highly sought after for drying. Their delicate cage-like structure adds a really interesting textural element. For that classic airy feel, you can't go wrong with baby's breath. Those delicate sprays of tiny white flowers dry so easily and add such a beautiful, light touch to any dried arrangement. It's like adding a cloud of elegance. And who can forget the soothing scent of lavender? Both the flowers and the stems of lavender retain their wonderful fragrance and color when dried. It's not just visually appealing, it brings a little aromatherapy into your home too. If you're looking to add some flat textured elements, yarrow is a fantastic choice. These flowers grow in clusters and come in shades of yellow, red, pink, and white. They dry really well and bring an interesting visual dimension to your creations. Get ready for some bold shapes with celosia. Whether you prefer the crested, brain-like coxcomb variety or the feathery plumes, celosia dries beautifully, keeping its vibrant colors and unique forms. They really make a statement. Don't forget the movement and texture that ornamental grasses can bring. Things like bunnytails grass with its soft fuzzy heads, or the taller feather reed grass, all dry incredibly well and add a natural flowing element to your arrangements. And finally, while technically foliage, eucalyptus is a must-have for drying. It retains its shape wonderfully and often keeps its lovely fragrance. Plus, the different varieties offer a range of leaf shapes and colors. Now, while the flowers we just talked about are excellent for natural air drying, there are other beauties you can dry or preserve with a little extra care. Think about hydrangeas, especially the mophead varieties. They can be air dried, and it's fascinating to watch their colors transform into more muted, antique shades as they dry. And of course, the classic rose. While they can be air dried, using silica gel can help them maintain their shape and color a bit better. Imagine having your favorite roses last for ages. Even peonies can be dried. although they might lose a little of their signature fullness. But the dried blooms still carry a certain elegance. And for something truly unique, consider thistles. Their spiky architectural heads dry incredibly well and add a really interesting, edgy element to arrangements. So, how do you actually dry these beauties? Here are a few key tips to ensure success. First, harvest at the right time. You want to pick your flowers when they are fully formed, but just before they are fully open. For seed pods, make sure they are mature. Next, remove the foliage. Leaves can trap moisture and lead to mold, so strip them off the stems. Then, the classic method, hang them upside down, tie the stems in small bunches, and hang them upside down in a dark, dry, and well-ventilated place. Think a spare closet or a corner of your garage. Make sure to avoid direct sunlight, as this can fade the beautiful colors you're trying to preserve. Finally, allow sufficient time. Drying can take several weeks, depending on the type of flower and the humidity in your environment. Be patient. Imagine being able to bring the beauty of your garden indoors and enjoy it for months, even years, after the growing season is over. These everlasting flowers make it possible. Ready to bring long-lasting floral beauty into your home? Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more gardening tips and creative ideas. We've got tons more videos coming your way. You can also check out some of our other videos right here. Thanks for watching, and happy drying.